Okay, now we're going to continue with question 8. So question 8 is a vectors question. So we're given the position vectors of both R and S, and they want us to find the vector that represents RS. Okay, so RS is simply equals to RO plus OS. Okay, so we need to minus off because you're only given the position vector of R. So we need to minus OR plus OS. Okay, so this would give us minus 4, 5 plus 3, negative 1. So we would get 7 minus 6. Okay, then find the magnitude of RS. Very simple. Square root 7 square plus negative 6 square. Okay, so we get 9.2195, which should be rounded off to 9.22 units. So we get 9.22 units to 3 significant figures. So the position vector of T is KT and ST is equals to 10. And they want us to find the two possible values of K. So let's find the vector ST first. So ST is equals to OT minus OS. Okay, so now we will get K7 minus 3, negative 1. So this would give us K minus 3 and 8. So now ST. It goes to K minus 3 squared plus 8 squared will give us 64. Okay, so now we will extend. So this is A squared minus 2AB plus B squared plus 64. So this would simplify to give us K squared minus 6K plus 73. Okay, so we're gonna move this up. So now we can say this is equals to 10. Okay, so now we can expand 100. Bring over the square. 100 equals to K squared minus 6K plus 73. And then K squared minus 6K minus 27 equals to 0. And hence, K plus 3, you just press your GC. K minus 9 would give us 0. Okay, so K plus 3 equals to 0, or K minus 9 equals to 0. Hence, K equals to negative 3, or K is equals to 9. Okay, so now let's move on to the next part, which is part B. So over here, they want us to express CD as simply as possible in terms of P and Q. Okay, so CD is basically this entire line here. So very simply, CD is equals to, so it will be these three vectors added up together. Okay, so it is equals to CG plus GA plus AD. Okay, and then CG is 1/4 of CB, and this information is given to us in the question. Plus, sorry, is minus Q plus P. Okay, so this would be negative 1/4 P minus Q plus P. And hence the answer is 3/4 P minus Q. Okay, moving on to part 2. H is the point that DH is equals to GF. So GF, we're gonna imagine it, okay, GF and DH. So let's say DH. Okay, we don't know where H is. DH is equals to GF. Okay, I think H would probably be somewhere here. Okay, let's say H is somewhere here. So express AH as simply as possible in terms of P and Q. So we're going to find vector GF first. So let's do that. So GF is GB plus BF. Okay, so GB is 3/4 of CB plus half of BA. So all these are information given in the question. So we just sub in the values. Okay, so this is BF. And then now we want to find DH. But we know that DH is equal to GF. Hence, we can say that this is also equals to DH. Okay, we are me an error here. This should be negative 3/8. Okay, so now they want us to find AH. So let us find AH. So now, knowing that DH is equals to this, we can use this information to find AH. So AH is equals to AD plus DH. Okay, so this is equals to P plus negative 3/8 P minus half Q. Okay, so if we done our simplification, we will get 5/8 P minus half Q. So that is our answer.